To hide your Snapchat story from someone on Android, follow these simple steps. Open the Snapchat app and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open Settings. Scroll down and tap on View My Story under the Privacy Control section. You will see options Friends Only and Custom. Tap on Custom and Snapchat will show you a list of your friends. Now just select the person or people you want to hide your story from by tapping on their names. Once selected, press the button and your settings will automatically be saved. Now those settings friends will not be able to see any stories you post going forward. That's it. You have successfully hidden your Snapchat story from someone.